To mark the 50th Statehood Day celebrations of Meghalaya, the Shillong Press Club, under the leadership of its president David LAITPHLANG and with the support of Team JIVA, had distributed more than 300 packets of food to most NGO and government-run childcare institutions and correction centres across the city and its suburbs on the 22nd of January 2022.
I give you thanks for all you've done. I am so blessed, my soul is at rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks. Thanks, thanks, I give you thanks for all you've done. I am so blessed, my soul is at rest. Oh Lord, I give you thanks.
This is not an event actually, but we wish that it would be an event so that every year this will be repeated. It just came to our notice as journalists that on Meghalaya Day yesterday, which is beautiful, everything was nice, we remembering our 50 years. But we seem, perhaps, I don't know, but maybe some of us may have, it may have slipped our mind that we owe this 50 years to people who lived 50 years ago, perhaps even much more than that. And if it was not for their blood, their sweat, their tears, the sacrifice, we would not have got our hill state. So normally on every national day, state day, people and clubs and all of that, associations, they go and give free, dinner or movie halls are open for children. But unfortunately, yesterday, because of COVID or I don't know what, but nothing of this sort happened. So we just impulsively decided as the EC of the press club that let's reach out to some like-minded friends and citizens of this beautiful state and remember our, elderly people who perhaps 50 years ago were either enjoying dancing in Matpran or in Kandailat or in the village in Meghalaya because we got our hill state and who perhaps may have stood in the road waving black flags and shouting hoes that we won our own hill state. Some I feel would probably be even in some old age homes. 50 years ago they were dancing and happy with the family. Today the world has forgotten them. They're neglected in an old age home. Or some have, become destitute. So we thought we'd just arrange a meal. We couldn't do it yesterday because it was a late realization. So we spoke with a wonderful set of people, a dear friend, Bablu, and his wonderful team, JIVA. And without any hesitation, he said, cool, let's do it. So we approached the government and appreciate the director who gave us a list of the CCIs that are run by the NGOs and run by the government. So Team JIVA and along with some of us from Press Club and you as well, we'll go and then give them in honor of our ancestors to thank them for the sacrifice that they've done, that they've taken, and to give us this wonderful day. And once again, happy Meghalaya Day to all from Shillong Press Club, and a big thank you to Team JIVA.